Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I recently released version 3.0 of AI QA workflow. If you haven't seen it before, this is an open source toolkit that lets AI agent handle your test workflow from Jira ticket all the way to testing result. Version 3 is a big update, so let me walk you through the release note and show you what's new. The first thing is agent-driven installation. Before this, every time I updated a command, I had to run make install and then go to project by project, copy this file. I work on over 10 projects, so I keep losing track of which version was there. Now you just clone the repository and tell your AI agent read CLAUDE.md file and install what I need. The agent will figure out your project context. The second big change is how commands are organized. Cloud Code gives you two places to put custom commands. Your personal folder. Anything there is available in every project you open. And the project folder. Those only show up in the one project. So before version 3, I had the same commands duplicated everywhere. Now the toolkit tells you which command go where. If the command is universal stuff like evolve or session summary, compare or sync, and the dev workflow command, those commands will go in your personal folder. Install once, use everywhere. For those commands that depend on specific NCP servers, like Jira or TestLink or Confluence, those stay in the project because not every project needs them. And there is a command called review install that audits your setup, catch duplicate, and tells you if anything is in the wrong place. Version 3 also adds a bunch of new commands. You can see the table right here. The one I want to highlight is evolve. It analyzes your command usage pattern and suggests improvement. It builds on top of session summary, record what happened in each conversation without saving any credentials or private data. Now let me switch over to README and show you the dev workflow. I actually built many NCP tools and project using the dev workflow commands. You can see the flow right there. The DW plan breaks your request into GitHub issues. Then the implement picks up an issue, creates a branch, and start coding. The create PR open a pull request linked to that issue. After that, we have review and merge to finish it off. Every change ties back to a GitHub issue and from start to finish. So through this process, you get a complete cycle. Document the request, plan it, implement it, and review it. And you can connection this to the QA flow, create tests from the user story, and do a complete CI with my other project, test framework template. That's version 3. The agent install itself, keep itself updated, and even find way to improve your workflow. If you are interested, clone the repo and tell your AI agent to read CLAUDE.md file, and it will set everything up for you. Links are in the description. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.